my channel. I am Elise, founder of Letters for Life, and today I have another workout video for you guys. Yeah. Today we are going to be working out our hips, and also we're going to be working out our glutes. I thought this was such an amazing video to do because everybody's at a different journey on their fitness goals. For today's workout, I'm going to be using a band just to help me with kind of making it a little bit more difficult for me, helping me with the intensity of it. You don't necessarily have to have a band, but I think it will definitely help if you add a band because it also adds resistance. So this is the heavy band. I'm going to make sure I link these down below, and I'm going to show you exactly how I do my hip and glute workout. If you're interested, please like, share, and subscribe, and let's go ahead and hop into the video.
My sexy bad girl, eh? My sexy bad girl, eh? You, let's go. Yeah. Say bad girl, make you give it to me. The way that you move and the things you do. Say bad girl, make you move it for me. Pan it to the left and pan it to the right. Oh, you're bad girl, make you give it to me now. Yeah, make you give it to me now. Make you give it to me. Give it to me. See, give it to me now. Mommy, move slow, you know how the thing go. I'm not a bingo, you put me in a limbo. You got all the things that I really wanna get. You fine, you good, and you really set. And I got all the cash, so I really wanna spend. Stand up on the wall, make a chitty bang. And on you, girl, I will place on my bed. Anywhere you wanna go, we will fly in a jet. Slow down, girl, let me break it down. From town to town, I they ask around for the baddest girl that hold it down. Then they point to you, say that you hold the crowd. Say bad girl, make you give it to me. The way that you move and the things you do. Say bad girl, make you move it for me. Pan it to the left and pan it to the right. Oh, you're bad girl, make you give it to me now. Make you give it to me now. Make you give it to me. Give it to me. Give it to me now. Slow down, girl, do slow motion. Skin smooth, use good lotion. Body so hot, I take caution. In the club, girl, you be causing commotion. Don't slow down, don't make me hold on. Cause my love is bigger than the ocean. Whine it, girl, with your sexy crazy waist. I really can't wait to have a taste. You're the one and only girl that can cure my craze. Hiss, wait, show your figure there with that booty, girl. I can't relate, let me rock you, girl, cause I will not hesitate. Say bad girl, make you give it to me. The way that you move and the things you do. Say bad girl, make you move it for me. Pan it to the left and pan it to the right. Oh, you're bad girl, make you give it to me now. Make you give it to me now. Make you give it to me. Give it to me. Give it to me now. Bad girl, make you give it to me. The way that you move and the things you do. Say bad girl, make you move it for me. Pan it to the left and pan it to the right. Oh, you're bad girl, make you give it to me now. Make you give it to me now. Make you give it to me. Give it to me. Give it to me now. Big kills on the beat.
I'm tired, hold on. Get some water real quick. Alright, y'all, so we are done. That's exactly how you do it. Just make sure you keeping track of how many reps you're doing, and then just also make sure that you are doing the correct form. So if you do the correct form, you do the amount of reps that I said, you are going to feel it, y'all. Like, you would think like you just working out your hips, you just working out your, you know, your glutes, but let me tell you, when you do this exercise the next day, you should feel it. Like, it's literally gonna blow your mind. And if you continuously stick to it, you will definitely see results. I just want to end and just say, whatever body type that you have, whether you slim, whether you thick, whether you in the middle, love your body. Love your body. Love whatever God gave to you. Now, yes, you can enhance it. Yes, you can kind of work with what you got, and you can do different exercises. But just know, at the end of the day, even if you never get to that size that you want to, even if you're not able to lose that amount of weight that you want to, love your body. You only got one body. Take good care of it. Love all up on it. And just know that God loves your body. You should love your body. Know that whatever body type you have, in whatever shape or form God has given it to you, is beautiful. Point blank, period. Don't let nobody else tell you that you need to be a certain body size or a certain shape to be desirable. Hopefully this video was able to help you and encourage you and to show you just different exercises that you can do to enhance your hips and also enhance your glutes. As always, I love you, but most importantly, God loves you. If you need encouragement or you know somebody else who may need encouragement, please write to my foundation, www.loveisforlife.net. I will see y'all on the next video. Bye.
I dream about it, I go get it, that's how I do it. Not in the stars, I'm not lucky, I just